The streaming bubble just burst and a huge change is coming. And if you're not a Hollywood insider, you're gonna wanna pay attention to this. In this video, I'm gonna show you the very recent evolution of streaming, the challenges faced by streaming giants right now, and the emergence of a new era. And if you're a filmmaker, an investor, a business owner, content creator, or just love to follow the entertainment industry, you're gonna wanna watch this closely. So real quick, as you probably noticed back in 2019, streaming services were on an unstoppable rise, mainly due to the circumstances that kept us all confined to our homes. With movie theaters shuttered, major blockbuster films starting to debut on streaming platforms. We got A-list films on streaming that were part of our low monthly subscription, at least low compared to what movie theater tickets cost. The streamers were dumping money into projects, hoping to capture as many subscribers as possible and fast. It was the Wild West. Honestly, ever since Netflix started making original content like House of Cards, it started the shifting landscape. Tech companies like Netflix, Apple, and Amazon rushed to get in on the Hollywood production game, and Hollywood itself scrambled to catch up. Because these new players poured millions in developing original movies and shows, and established studios launched their own streaming services, of course, Disney+, Paramount+, Hulu, etc. It was the gold rush of streaming, and a bubble started forming because the name of the game was get subscribers. And it worked for a while. But now, streaming services are quietly trying various strategies to counter revenue losses, like ad-supported tiers to attract more viewers. The reckoning we all saw coming has arrived. They finally have realized that they need to turn a profit. I mean, they have shareholders. The entertainment industry that underwent a massive shift is about to, again. It's now a war with no winner in sight. Because traditional studios launched their own streaming services, it's led to content being pulled from one platform to another. Shows and movies are disappearing from streaming platforms, raising questions about their future. For example, Disney recently removed a big-budget movie called Creator. Time to write that one down. With Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max, Disney+, spending seems to be delivering diminishing returns, and investors are uncertain about the streaming business's profitability. So, with the future of streaming's identity uncertain, and the number of streaming services globally plateauing, not to mention a huge strike in Hollywood that is setting content back months, if not years, and writers and actors wanting more money from the streamers, the concept of watching TV is gonna change fast, again. A new phenomenon is emerging in streaming right now. Free ad-supported platforms are growing rapidly, with services like Tubi, Pluto, and the Roku Channel gaining big prominence. The appeal is in its affordability, with viewers increasingly willing to watch ads in exchange for lower or no subscription costs, especially as all these big-name streamers keep upping their prices to combat the losses. See, free streaming services have a unique advantage. They focus on engagement, eliminating the need for complex user interfaces, and they cooperate with aggregators and search engines to simplify content discovery. These platforms prioritize personalization, aiming to keep viewers engaged by delivering content tailored to their preferences. The goal is to convince each individual to keep watching, not what they want you to watch. Now, to be honest, free streaming platforms excel in many areas, but they haven't generated massive hits like their paid counterparts. And here lies the opportunity. The strike in Hollywood right now is mainly focused on two things: AI, which I have covered in other videos on this channel, and streaming residuals. See, unlike regular TV, streaming doesn't pay residuals when episodes play, and the studios don't want to release these numbers. So not only are the studios bleeding money from streaming, but now they're being asked to pony up even more money to creators. They will be forced to pull back heavily or continue bleeding. Look at the recent story from Aaron Paul from Breaking Bad.
I don't get a piece from Netflix on Breaking Bad, to be totally honest. And that's insane to me. You know what I mean? Like, shows live forever on these streamers. I just saw the other day that Breaking Bad was trending on Netflix. I mean, it's such common sense. And I think a lot of these streamers, they know that they have been getting away with not paying people. Now it's time to pony up.
But what they don't realize is the benefits were mutual. The show was a hit on the streamer, it helped widen its reach even more, and that fueled the show to continue filming and created a 5-year deal between the creator and Netflix. So, Free streaming is on the rise, and ad revenue in this space is growing rapidly, with experts predicting substantial growth in the coming years. Luckily, for creators, you can take part this time. Most of the ad-supported streamers allow you, a Hollywood outsider, to upload your film, documentary, show, whatever, without the inside connections to Netflix, HBO, Fox, or Disney. Big name streamers had their golden age, but they got ahead of themselves, and now it's time to see the future. The future of TV may indeed be free with ad streaming, resembling the TV business of old. They don't have to convince you to pay for their content. They don't even have to convince you to sign up. They just have to give you something to watch, sell ads against it, and keep you tuned in. That's been the TV business for a better part of a century, and it's coming back in a big way. Either way, it'll be exciting to see how it unfolds. Before I close out the video, I ask that if you like my videos, please subscribe and just tell me in the comments what you did or didn't like. I have worked on big Hollywood productions and small projects for the past 15 years. And the one question I get asked constantly is, how do I make money through entertainment as a creator? Of course, the obvious answer is get a job. But the real money isn't made through the entry-level entertainment industry jobs. Trust me. Many just get stuck there forever. It's through the opportunities that you jump on. So my promise is I will always try to bring you entertaining, forward-looking content, whether you're a brand, a filmmaker, a business, or just like the entertainment industry. Thanks for watching.